Stop throwing away your old bricks and scrap wood. What if I told you that your trash is actually the secret to a luxury backyard? Welcome back to Kira-style Garden. Today, we are turning forgotten materials into a breathtaking rustic oasis. If you have a small space and a big imagination, you are in the right place. Imagine turning something as solid and forgotten as an old brick into a floating cradle for new life. There is a certain rugged beauty in the way the rough red clay contrasts with those delicate, velvety purple petals. By threading thick, rustic rope through these weathered blocks, you create a garden that does not just sit on the ground, but breathes high above the grass. It is simple, it is heavy, yet it feels completely weightless. Listen closely. Can you hear the soft, rhythmic clinking of history dancing in the breeze? These wind chimes, crafted from sun-bleached driftwood and vintage brass keys, tell a story of tides and time. Every single key has a secret past, now rediscovered as it hums against the wood. It is more than just a decoration. It is a gentle, melodic reminder that even the smallest, most discarded objects can find a beautiful new voice. There is a powerful elegance in the strength of rusted iron. These spiraling rods rise from the earth like organic sculptures, providing a sturdy, unwavering hand for your climbing vines to hold onto. As the green leaves wrap tightly around the oxidized metal, you see a perfect marriage of industrial grit and natural grace. It proves that garden supports do not have to be hidden. They can be the very soul of the landscape. Draping a handmade garland over a weathered fence feels like giving your garden a warm, floral embrace. The silver-gray driftwood, gathered from quiet shores, provides the perfect earthy base for the explosive yellows of fresh marigolds. It is a fleeting, beautiful celebration of the season. As you weave the twine, you are not just making a strand of decor. You are capturing the essence of a sun-drenched afternoon in a single flowing line. Building with stone and wood feels like returning to the basics of the earth. This tiered stand, with its heavy slate shelves and raw cedar supports, brings a sense of ancient permanence to your patio. It allows your smallest potted treasures to stand tall, catching every drop of golden sunlight. There is a quiet, meditative joy in stacking these elements, creating a miniature mountain of life right in the middle of your backyard oasis. Who would have thought that a humble kitchen spoon could become a guardian of the herb garden? Painting these wooden handles is such a playful, personal touch. They stand among the lavender and rosemary like tiny, colorful sentinels, whispering the names of the plants they watch over. It adds a dash of whimsy and a lot of heart to the soil, proving that a truly creative garden is always built with love. There is something deeply satisfying about the ancient art of weaving wood. These low, wattle-style borders, crafted from flexible willow branches, create a soft, flowing boundary for your wildest blooms. Unlike cold plastic or straight stone, these woven lines feel alive, as if they grew right out of the garden beds themselves. It defines your space with a gentle touch, keeping the beauty in and the chaos out with natural, rustic charm. An old ladder holds so many memories of hard work, But here, it finds a peaceful retirement as a sanctuary for your plants. Each weathered rung becomes a stage for overflowing geraniums and fragrant mint. The silvered grain of the reclaimed timber tells a story of years gone by, while the vibrant green leaves look toward the future. It is a vertical garden that saves space while adding a massive amount of character. Providing a home for our feathered friends is one of the greatest joys a gardener can have. This little birdhouse, built from the rough slats of a discarded pallet, fits so perfectly into the trees. It is sturdy, it is honest, and it looks like it has always been part of the woods. When you see a small bird finally claim it as their own, you realize that upcycling is not just about saving materials. As the day begins to fade, these glass lanterns capture the very last rays of the sun. Suspended by intricate jute netting, the clear jars reflect the dancing shadows of the garden. They swing gently like heavy glass pendulums, bringing a sense of sophisticated calm to your pergola. It is a simple way to extend the magic of the daylight, turning your backyard into a glowing, ethereal gallery of light and texture. Every step you take through your garden should be a journey. By pressing real leaves into wet cement, you are literally fossilizing the beauty of your plants into the path itself. These stepping stones are permanent imprints of a single moment in time. They feel cool underfoot and look like hidden treasures discovered among the pebbles. It is a wonderful way to leave your own unique mark on the earth you tend. It is truly incredible how a bit of rope, some old stone, and a touch of creativity can transform a simple backyard into a soulful sanctuary. We have explored how to give new life to the old, proving that a beautiful garden doesn't have to cost a fortune. If these ideas inspired you, please hit that like button, subscribe to Kira Style Garden for more green inspiration, and comment below telling me which project was your favorite.